If you want to find and manage your sound and vibration settings on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your sound and vibration tab. So the first thing what you'll see is three modes: sound, vibrate, and mute. On our mute mode, we don't have any vibration and sounds at all. On our vibrate mode, only vibration, and on sound, we have both vibration and sound. You can set up your ringtone. I'm gonna tap here. You can choose from the presetted ones, or you can choose from your files, so you can set up your own song. Also, here we have notification sound. We can adjust our system sound and a lot of different sounds like touch interactions, dialing keypad, something keyboard charging, screen lock and unlock, and so forth. Also, our volume for every kind of media which we have here, like ringtone, media, notification system, AI assistant, alarm. As for the vibrations, you have call vibration, notification vibration options, system vibration, vibration intensity, sound quality and effect. We're gonna tap here. We can find our Dolby Atmos option, which I recommend enabling because it's a very cool option, and equalizer. So here we can choose an equalizer. We can either make it custom one, so press custom and set up your own equalizer, or you can choose something from the preset like bass boost, great for rap music, smooth, great for everything else, clear, great for videos, movies, treble boost, great for rock music, dynamic, great for EDM, and some rock music, I guess, as well, but balanced is just neutral, and basically that's it. I recommend you going through them by yourself, experimenting, and deciding what is gonna be the best for you. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.